Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Christmas decoration encompasses a myriad of festive ideas to celebrate the holiday season, from traditional to contemporary. These Julepynt ideas infuse homes with an enchanting spirit of Christmas. Embrace the coziness of candlelight with charming advent candle holders or elegant candle wick that cast a warm glow during the dark winter evenings. Traditional red and white paper hearts, known as Julepynt, add a nostalgic touch when hung on the Christmas tree or as window decoration. Embrace the natural beauty of the season with homemade dried orange slices, cinnamon ox sticks, and pecans, creating seasoned garlands and potpourri wreaths made from evergreen branches and adorned with ribbons, berries, and ornaments. Welcome guests with festive cheer on the front door to create a hike-inspired ambience. Place plush blankets and cushions around the living area, providing cozy comfort for gatherings with loved ones. Delightful Christmas stockings, huge with care, await surprises from Santa Claus. Julepynt ideas offer a perfect balance of traditional and creativity, transforming homes into merry and enchanting spaces that celebrate the joyous essence of Christmas. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.